In this video, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Crypto.com to another wallet. So to do this, simply go and open up Crypto.com, go to your account section, and then click on Crypto. From here, just go and open up Bitcoin, and then from here, click on Transfer. Now select Withdrawal, and here select External Wallet. Now I already have a bunch of them that I've used before, but if you don't have yours linked yet, click on plus in the top right and select wallet address. Now from there, just paste in the wallet address you want to use. For example, I'll get my Coinbase Bitcoin address, so you can just go transfer, then receive crypto, then just select Bitcoin. It works pretty much the same on every exchange. Then for the network, also select Bitcoin, since that's what Crypto.com uses, and copy your address. Now from there, paste in your wallet address that you want to send to, select if you are the owner of this wallet address. If you are, you don't have to enter these details. If it's someone else's wallet, simply enter their details right there. Now then for the wallet type, click select wallet type, and if it's an exchange, then it will be listed. For example, Coinbase is right there, as well as Kraken, Binance, etc. But if it's a wallet such as Phantom Wallet or Solflare Wallet, then you want to click on non-custodial wallet. Now in this case, I'm using Coinbase, so I'll select Coinbase and then click done. From there, you can go and give it a name such as Coinbase Bitcoin. Now I've already added this wallet address, so I cannot add it again, but just go and give it a name, click continue, and then enter your passcode, and then it will be added to your whitelist, which is this list right here. Now I'm going to select the wallet address, so for me it's at the bottom right there, then click confirm and withdrawal, and choose how much you want to send. You can either do it in euros at the top, or you can switch it to Bitcoin. Now I'll do euro, and you can also just click on max if you want. Then you can add a note, and now if you click withdrawal, you will then get to an overview where you can see the fee and the total and all of that. From there, just go and click on confirm, and after you confirm, you need to enter your two-factor authentication code if you have that set up. And I'm not going to send it right now since I don't actually need to send it, but from there, after verifying it's you and confirming it, it will then be sent to the other wallet. So now you know how to transfer Bitcoin from Crypto.com to another wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.